friends, come journal with me with the junk I collected this week. It has been a busy week for me. I went to Vancouver for a few days for work and to have a girls' night. My friend is moving away soon, so I wanted to make sure we had a sleepover movie night before she left. My other friend joined in and we watched the movie Center Stage, which I've never seen before, but they both have, so they wanted to make me watch it. It's apparently a cult classic, which I completely missed growing up, so that was a fun one to all watch together. She got both of us these chocolates, so this is what I kept to remind me of our girls' night. So shout out to Molly. I know you'll watch this, and I'm missing you. I bought this face mask from H Mart that was viral, and I've been wanting to try. And I'm happy to report that it does live up to the hype. You sleep with it on, and when you wake up, I swear to God, you will have a whole new face. It obviously doesn't last, but it does make your skin like super hydrated. Every time I cut something out like this, it makes me want those craft scissors that we all had as a kid that cut out different patterns. So I feel inspired now to see if I can find something online to order. And then I got influenced in Sephora and bought this face lotion. It's supposed to lift and sculpt, which I feel like nothing can really do, but I still wanted to try it. It definitely doesn't lift and sculpt, but it's still a nice moisturizer and I like to use it before bed. I went to the Princeton pub in Vancouver with some friends to eat, drink, and watch a game. I could not tell you what we were watching or if I even looked at the screen, but it was a fun time to hang out and catch up with friends. Saunter is a cafe downtown Vancouver that I've never been before. It was a nice and sunny day out and I walked there with my coworker. It was super cute and I got an iced matcha, but because I did, I obviously had to ask for a sleeve for my journal. And I'm pretty sure they thought I was really weird because I also bought a sticker that they had for their run club. And after confirming that I do not run, they also stamped their logo on their sleeve, probably thinking I was some super fan of this cafe. I went to the library and found some fun patterns to print out. I'm going with a green, blue, and red color scheme today because those are the colors of most of my junk and I love matching my background to the things that I collect. It's also the colors on this card, which is the main feature on the spread. It's a wedding invite from my friends and my other friend Rachel designed it, so shout out to Rachel. She's such an amazing artist and tattoo artist. I will link her Instagram in the description if anyone wants to check her out. This washi tape is literally the worst. It's so sticky and nearly impossible to use without ripping, but I love the pattern so much, so I always use it, or try to use it at least, but it ends up failing most of the time. Dante's is an Italian sandwich shop in Vancouver. They have a few locations and it's super good, and they also came out with this espresso frappe drink that I didn't get to try because they didn't have it when I was there, but I'm really excited to have it when I go back next. These were my favorite drinks to buy in cafes when I went to Italy, so they better still have them when I go and I will report back. This is definitely giving spring despite it being February and cold still, but spring is coming and the sun was out today, so it's something to look forward to. I found this flower paper that I had left over and I thought it was the perfect addition to this almost spring spread. I also found strips of this paper and thought I would use it as kind of a washi tape, which I actually love doing, and I think it's a great alternative because I didn't have any that was red. So I'm going to keep this in my back pocket and probably do this again. Here is the Run Club sticker I got at that cafe. I am loving all the colors on this spread, and I had the perfect amount of things to cover the space. I love when this happens because I don't feel like I need to rely on stickers to fill the space, and it takes a lot less time for me to pick them out. When I have to use a lot of stickers on one spread, I usually don't like how it turns out. I think it's just nicer when there's a few here and there, and it makes them stand out better. I've been wanting to use this red bag sticker for a while now, and I think it's the perfect spot for it. And I wanted to balance out the blue and bring a little on this page with this flower. And here are all my memories from the week, laid out forever for me to remember. This one was a lot of fun, and I want to thank you for joining me today for it. Please like and subscribe if you want to join me again, and I will see you in next week's spread. Take care.